Have you ever studied for hours and still forget everything the next day? You are not lazy, you are not stupid. Your memory is not broken, it's just your method. What if I told you that with 5 simple steps, you could remember almost anything and even boost your English skills while doing it? Today, I will show you proven memory techniques that actually work and you can start using them right now. Stay till the end because the last step is the one that most people completely ignore, but it can change everything. The problem everyone faces. Meet Arjun. Arjun is a student just like many of you. He studies every day, tries hard but forgets everything. Names, dates, vocabulary, formulas, everything disappears from his mind when he needs it most. Sounds familiar. The problem is not the brain, the problem is the method. Most people try to memorize by repeating the same thing over the over. This cram and forget method actually makes your memory worse. But there is a better way, a smarter way to remember anything and everything. Step 1. Understand, don't memorize. The first rule of memory is simple. Understand what you want to remember. Your brain does not like meaningless information. It loves stories, images, and connections. For example, instead of memorizing the word ambition is just a definition, think Napoleon has great ambition and wanted to conquer Europe. When you attach a story to a word or fact, your brain locks it in naturally. Always ask yourself, why is this important before memorizing? Step 2. Use visualization. Visualization is powerful. Your brain remembers pictures better than words. Turn everything into an image in your mind. For example, if you want to remember the word memory, imagine a giant brain storing books on shelves. If you want to remember your grocery list, imagine a story: milk sliding across the floor, eggs balancing on top, bread flying like a plane. The more crazy, funny, or emotional the image, the better your memory. Step 3. Make connections. Our brains love connections. Instead of memorizing facts separately, connect new information with what you already know. Example: new English word, strategy. Connect with history. Napoleon's strategy won many battles. Or your life. I need a strategy to finish my homework faster. Connecting new info with stories, experiences, or existing knowledge make it stick in your mind. Step 4. Repeat smartly. Repetition is not enough. You need spaced repetition. Instead of reading the same thing 10 times in 1 hour, review it after 1 hour, after 1 day, after 3 days, after 1 week. This is how your brain moves information from short term memory to long term memory. Use flashcards or apps for spaced repetition. Step 5. Teach or explain. The final step is the most powerful. Teach it. When you explain a word, fact, or idea to someone else, your brain reinforces it automatically. Example: learn 5 new English words. Teach them to a friend, family member, or even yourself in front of the mirror. Say it in a sentence, use it in a story. This step makes information permanent. Extra tips for English learners. Since our channel is about learning English through stories, here's how you can combine memory techniques with English practice. First, read stories aloud. Your brain remembers words faster. Second, write new words in sentences. Connect meaning with usage. Third, visualize new words. Create mental images for vocabulary. Fourth, teach a story to someone else. Explain it in English to reinforce memory and fluency. This way, you improve your English while training your memory. Real life examples. Let's see how Arjun improved his memory. He read credit. English stories every day. He highlighted new words and made fun mental images. He connected words with his daily life. He reviewed them after 1 hour, 1 day, and 3 days. He taught the story to his younger brother. After 1 month, Arjun remembered more words, dates, and lessons than ever before. His English listening and reading improved and he felt confident. The moral: using a method beats cramming every time. Bonus tip: sleep and exercise. Memory is also physical. Sleep helps your brain store information. Exercise increases blood flow to the brain, boosting focus and recall. Even 5-10 minutes of stretching or walking can improve memory. 5 steps to remember anything. Let's quickly recap. First, understand, don't memorize. Attach meaning to what you learn. Second, visualize. Create funny, emotional, or vivid mental images. Third, make connections. Link new info with what you already know. Fourth, repeat smartly. Use spaced repetition to move info to long term memory. Fifth, teach or explain, reinforcing memory and improving fluency. Follow these steps and your memory, in addition to English skills, will improve dramatically. Remember, your brain is powerful. It's not that you forget, it's just that you have not trained it the right way. With these techniques, anyone can remember more, faster, and smarter. So start today, reading one story, visualize it, connect it, review it, teach it, and you will see a big difference in your memory and English fluency. Now I ask you, which of these 5 steps will you try first? Comment below. Like this video if you learned something new. Comment your favorite memory tip. Subscribe and turn on notification for more English in addition to memory improvement videos.